It's here from the Working Yarn. Today I'll be showing you how to do a decrease, the double crochet 2 together, and it's abbreviated DC2TOG, and if you're in the UK, a double crochet is a half treble crochet. So right here I have 2 rows of double crochet. If you need a refresher or if you're not sure how to do the double crochet, I'll put a link in the description below on how to do the foundation chain and the double crochet. So we're going to chain our work, we're going to turn our work and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to do 1 double crochet first, just to give me some space in. Okay, so to do the double crochet 2 together, we're going to start off normally as a double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, and yarn over and then pull through. Now we have 3 loops, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, almost like the double crochet. But since we're doing a decrease, we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain over, yarn over and pull through. Now we have 4 loops. To finish the decrease, we're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, 3 loops left, yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops. And there is our decrease. So let's do that again. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops. Let's keep going. Yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull, insert the hook, yarn over and then pull through. Got tongue twisted. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook into the top of the turning chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops. And there goes our decreases. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe below so you can be kept updated on all the latest videos from the Working Yarn. Wherever you are in the world, happy crocheting. Bye!